I'm a founder of BGI, and I am definitely I'm the one who knows about it. And since I'm a founder and CEO of BGI, precisely I'm the one who will tell that BGI has already arrived this 2026. So I hope all of you will try to understand what I'm saying. And I do a lot of video, but how many times I told you that EGI was already at the orbit right now, and making have a data on the orbit on our system with my partners. And aside from that, before we reach there in the orbit in the satellite, I put my EGI in the IBM Quantum Computing computer. Then we made it. We made successfully there, and then after that, he has that his benchmark instant was very fast, about 1000 plus millisecond. That's very fast. It's very fast than any other AI. So it's not that very simple or very regular thing for the technology AI have that kind of instance which can manage everything, especially in IoT side, computer science, and healthcare. So what I want to tell about it to all of you that no one can tell that EGI here, GGI not here. No, I'm the one because I'm the owner. I working that every day. So I know what is my technology going. I know what happening. I know what exact moment he did and how he do and how that work. I'm not just doing this, but it's just a simple thing to think about it. But I'm a simple thing too for my personal image about what I'm done to the technology. But it's that's a real thing, right? It's a real. It's happening already. So then AGI already here, right? EI that's nothing anymore. EGI was there in the satellite in the orbit doing something that nobody knows and keep sending data in the world. From there, he can generate anything he can do